Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting a lint-free cotton or silk thread because lint damages pads. Choose 12 to 18 inches so you have room to work. Thread goes onto the cleaning rod. Remove any end cap so the rod fits inside the head joint. Once done, make a small loop knot at one end and leave a 2 to 3 inch tail. This tail lets you wrap and secure the cloth to the rod. Make sure the knot sits tight and slim so it passes through the flute without catching. Next, fold your cleaning cloth in half and align the loop knot over that fold, which creates a secure pull-through. Insert the rod through the loop, then pull the thread tail back through the loop to cinch the cloth snug. This method grips the cloth without sewing. Once cinched, trim the excess tail to about 1/2 to 1 inch so it won't snag inside tone holes. After that, test by running the assembly through the head joint and body to confirm the cloth lies flat and won't bunch up. Finally, insert the rod with cloth into the head joint and slowly pull it through the body to the foot joint. Use steady, gentle pressure to avoid catching under keys. If you feel a snag, stop immediately, back the rod out, straighten the cloth and recinch the knot so it rides flat, then try again. Make sure to store the rod threaded for quick cleanings or detach and dry the cloth. If any tearing or lint appears, replace the cloth to protect pads and tone holes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.